I'm going to show you how I created my website using the framework Cloud9. As you can see, what is displayed is a carousel. I've used a carousel to portray multiple images via a slideshow. As you can see, these are the images. You're able to navigate using the controllers, or there's an automatic time setting. Below you've got information about the company. I've kept it sweet, simple and elegant. I think that's more appealing. Over here you can see the codes that I've actually implemented into the website. You can see I've embedded Bootstrap. The purpose of Bootstrap is to allow the website to adjust to any screen. For example, if you are using an iPad or an iPhone, you will be able to adjust the website to the actual screen that you will be using. So here, well, like I was saying, the purpose of Bootstrap. Now, as you can see, I'm able to minimize the screen. I could As you can see that the screen's actually adjusted within the size. Also the navigation bar, it's minimized as well. It's become a drop down menu with all the web pages still displayed, still in easy access. Continuing with the website, I'd like to show you the other web pages that I've created using the HTML. This is my about page. As you can see, I've kept the carousel consistent through the website. We'll still include multiple images, a small description about the actual website itself. Also, I've displayed the used cars. The purpose of my website is a trading website where you can purchase vehicles from. I've used multiple images of cars that I have for sale. As you can see, there's also a video included of a clip regarding super vehicles. It gives you a rough feel about what kind of cars that we have and the performance and the actual full. Now I'd like to go over straight to testimonial. As you can see, I've created a form. This form was created in HTML. As you can see, the codes that I've actually used to create the form is here. You can see that I've used labels for the name, and that will display the actual value that I want it to display. I've used different attributes in this code. This whole code here will actually displays the form. I'll show you now exactly how this form will work. I've already got values in there as I was testing the website. We'll put the first name in Roger. We can use last name Burn. We can have roger@gmail.com, his phone number, and also a small message. Now, once the customer or whoever the user is, once he's actually inputted the relevant data, he's able to submit this. Now, this will leave a feedback on the website, but before that actually happens, the user will appreciate their gratitude and their submission of their feedback. The customer is able to go back to testimonials. If they scroll down, they are able to see that the chat is actually displayed on the actual website itself, so they're able to see other customers and other reviews that have been left. So I think this is brilliant. This was used by MySQL Lite 3. We use database here. Also, I would like to show you the database now. The one I just showed you was a database which is displayed on the actual website itself. It's an additional web page which is additional HTML that we could use. This is another one. I'm able to actually download files that are actually stored into my database, which is on the Cloud9. I can use SQLite Studio, which will allow me to actually open the database that I've downloaded, and then I could navigate through, see the structure. As you can see, I've used each row has the attributes and values, but then I can actually see the data that was inputted on the website. This is, I think, very useful, as I'm able to store this for other future references if I need to refer back to. Finally, I'd just like to give an overview of the Flask. Now, as you can see, I've inserted Flask coding here. You can see the app root. This actually means that it will basically Flask is a function. It will always return a string. So here you can see that it's requesting for index, and which index is the actual home page. So it will return in the framework. It will return home page in the framework of Flask. I apologize for not providing a descriptive video cast. However, I have included an in-depth information in my report, which you will be able to access. And once again, thank you very much.